ng bakit?
May bagyo.
Mga bagyo?
Mahigpit din siya. Ha? Mahigpit din
Pan
yan
kami
sila
kay
dito, parang
Georgia.
mga Russian yung dati nga nila.
On the way kami kay Georgian. Hello my friend, say hi.
Hello.
Hi. Punta kami sa lake na patay akalugaran pang kami Lake. Lake ti Georgia. Ay hindi pala, border ti Georgia kin Armenia. Ay, pang kami mangan napatay akalugaran. Ag video kami. Apang kami agbingwit ti tilapia. Apang kami ito kabakbakiran. Toy. Apang kami ito lake da.
Tignan mo may
Anya
yellow.
makunam.
Ha?
Anya makunam.
Parang sa bilyaplo. Oh, tignan mo yung pan, yung tilapiahan nila Ruby.
Tilapiahan nyo daw Rubito.
Nag-yellow pa. Tignan mo
Nag-yellow yung lake ni ayun. Yellow siya, yellow.
Yellow pa din.
Si may yellow pa. Nagme-melt na.
Biki taman dito. May subunak lang.
Jay.
May subunak ka. Alam mati bagto.
Balay-balay da. At ati balay-balay da. Cottage da. O dapat lang isno. Tumangkin di pispanda. Ruby. Di pispan nyo tumangkinin. Kasi nakabanda. Dapat lang isno. Kita tati isno. Adalat tati isno na. Toy. Dalat at isno pa lang. At isno da. Balay. Dapat lang agme-meltis nun. Meron silang improvise na gym. Improvise na barbell. Kayo. Nagme-melt na kasi may araw na. Yan. Yan yung araw. Bali na laki. Hi, Kuya.
Hello,
Hi,
good
how are you?
morning. How are you? You enjoy the place?
Yes, very nice.
Okay.
Very cold.
Very
But
cold.
no, yeah.
But
There-
here
it's
is no,
okay
yeah?
now because sunny day now.
Yeah, of course, very nice. Okay, say hi.
Hi.
Zero var Zero.
Bontis. Hello is Bontis.
Bondis Parev.
Pare. No. Hello.
Hello.
Hello is what is your
Barev.
Barev. Barev.
Parev.
Vonses. How are you? Vonses.
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 Barev.
Parev. Vonses.
Mami, nasaan ka?
Georgia.
Welcome to Georgia. Georgia. Na po kami sa Georgia. Ayan na si
Saan
Ma'am.
yung stamp nila? Ha, ito.
Welcome to Georgia! Mainit dito ngayon!
And then to another country,
Georgia.
Georgia.
Hello! Ito po ang Georgia. Border. Border pa lang. Georgia and Armenia.
Duty free holding. Alam ko sa Pilipinas.
Nadatay kami Villa Floren.
Babe, nasa Georgia na kami. Ayan, a vintage car.
Georgia, mainit ngayon
Sa atin
Georgia.
yan, pangit na yung sasakyan pag ganyan.
Welcome to Georgia,
Meron kaming
guys.
nakitang vintage car doon. Karag-karag.
Babe, nasa Georgia na kami. Ayan, a vintage car.
Sa atin yan, pangit na yung sasakyan pag ganyan.
Welcome to Georgia, guys.
Oo, iinit nga sila.
Sobrahan talaga yun, malamang. Mga itsura, no? Diyos ko.
Pumirit pa yata si Kuya kaninang umaga.
Kaya late na.
Kaya sa atin, matamlay.
Ano yung na-explain nyo kanina, be? Yung first 10 na 199?
Oo,
First 10 talaga yun? Totoo yun?
wala namang nakakuha sa atin eh. Parang ang travel natin, parang Manila to papunta sa amin ang layo. No?
Parang Isabel.
Kapig sa makina natin, pilugan ang ganda.
Naka-condition na ron. Diba? Taas baba doon. Armenia.
good story about the place.
Ah, Philippines.
It's called Peace Bridge, as long as throughout the whole history we've been in the wars and the battles, we just got tired of it, so they just called symbolically, like, let there be peace. By the way, these light bulbs, so when you see the whole light bulbs, it's 200, consists with 200,000 bulbs, which is lighting up. Yep. And the building you see over there with the glass top with the flag, it used to be the President Palace. And,
President.
near to Lighthouse. And the previous presidents lived there, so other previous two, but the new one, she refused to live there, so now no one lives there. They're gonna make their exhibition hall or museum or something like that. So for now it's empty. And you can see the statue over there to the left. It's called Mother of Georgia. See, she's holding the cup in the left hand, the wine, which means this is holding it to our friends, and she's holding the sword in the right hand, which means this is holding it to our enemies. So that's a representation of Turkey. And we'll, from the cable car, we're gonna get on the top over there, and then we're gonna walk down near the
At least itong cable car nila sarado. Hindi mo ramdam ang lamig.
Wow, nasa cable car kami. Dito si Bachuchay. Betting gabi. Hey, hello.
Hello po.
Hello!
Hello, Mami.
Hello! Hi!
Nasaan tayo?
In Tbilisi, Georgia.
Punta kami sa taas.
Oh, wow.
Yun. Punta kami sa kay Mother Georgia.
Tayo galing sa baba.
There's the church, you see the biggest one here. It's called Sameba, which means Whole Trinity, and that's the